Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello. Welcome to Halloweek Day 2. Oh my God, I'm so excited that we're here. So in today's episode of Halloweek Day 2, I wanted to introduce you to a look that could be for the people that want to be super duper glam. You know, Halloween doesn't always have to be like super duper scary or like frightening. It can be fun too. And I think one way to get super creative with makeup is through eyeliners. I recently came across a BAT eyeliner. Now, BAT eyeliners have been around forever, but I've never really seen it in this rendition right here. This look was created by this insanely talented makeup artist on Instagram, and she herself was inspired by Swayze Morgan. And the look that I found right here is by Tara Mayhew. I think that's how you'll say it. As soon as I saw the look, I was like, oh my God, this is the perfect, more like glam, creative look for the people that don't want to be scary on Halloween, but still want to dress up and have something different going on. So I thought today would be the perfect day. So that is what day 2 of Halloweek is going to be all about. I'm quickly going to jump off camera to do my base and brows and the first eye to gather my thoughts and see if I actually don't fail, because I've never practiced this look. I've never done this look. This might go horribly wrong. Also, really quick, if you're following me on Snapchat or Instagram stories, I woke up this morning with like this huge bump on my head. Like, do you see what's going on in here? Do you see that bump? Dr. Pimple Popper, help me out. What is happening? You guys know I'm obsessed with Dr. Pimple Popper. I'm like, it's not a lipoma. It doesn't feel like a lipoma. So yeah, you're just gonna have to deal with me and my bump. We're just gonna call him Wolfred the Bump. That's what you shall be named. All right, so without any further ado, I'm gonna hop off camera to do all that, and I'll be right back to fly away as a bat, okay? Ta-da! So this is the BAT liner look that we're gonna be working on right now. So first, as always, you wanna prime, and I'm using my P. Louise base. I'm just using a dry beauty blender to pat the product in. And we're not setting it. That is the magic trick. Don't set this with a powder. Go straight in with your shadows afterwards. Okay, for the crease, I'm going in with this bright orange shade from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And I'm just gonna start pushing that into the crease, getting that color and pigmentation in. And then as soon as we kind of have the shape going and we have that payoff, we're gonna focus on blending the edges. But first, let's just get it on there. Since we're doing a very extreme cut crease, you wanna bring this all the way to that inner corner here. And also don't be afraid to take this high up, because since we're cutting so far up too, you don't wanna cut away all the color. So for the outer corner, using soft circular motions, I'm applying the orange and kind of taking it up towards the tail of my brow here. So take it up here on that outer corner. Then with whatever is left on the brush, I'm taking the brush very softly up the edge and doing soft circular motions. Especially on this outer corner here, you barely want to touch the skin because anything right there is gonna look too harsh. So you wanna make sure that's ultra, ultra soft. Moving along to the yellow shade, and this is gonna go right above the orange. And picking the yellow up flat onto the brush, so on the side of the brush, and also placing the brush flat against that edge, and just going left and right. So picking up flat on the side of the brush, placing it flat against the skin, and just using simple left to right motions. And I mean, you barely have to do anything because yellow and orange just wanna blend nicely together, but still make sure that blend is lit, baby. And then on a bigger brush from the front of the brow, I'm picking up some more of that yellow and kind of dragging it onto the bridge of the nose here to get it nice and completed. Then picking up this chocolate brown shade and deepening the outer corner of the crease. Alrighty, it is time to cut the crease, and it's an intense cut crease. So we're gonna start off on that inner corner, and then at the very end, we're gonna swoop it out. Okay, remember that beautiful champagne color from the Morphe 35V palette that I was talking about in yesterday's video? That is gonna set the lid. Okay, now it's time for that crazy bat liner. So first, we're gonna start off with a crazy long ass line, just like you would do any other wing liner. And you want this line to be longer than the cut crease. Now from there, you want to drag this into the crease, staying right below the new cut crease. Then drag this part down to the actual lash line as an actual wing liner. And then you want to round this out here. See how it creates a nice little circle? Okay, fill in. So the top part is considered pretty much done. Now all we want to do is add the bat sort of wings, triangles to the bottom. So we're starting off with one right here in the outer corner. And what I like to do is create one curved line and then curve it back in. So from that corner, I'm curving down. I was like drawing a lash, and then from up top, curve it in to connect. See, like that. Of course, you want to fill that in. And then let's focus on one in the center. And a small one right at the end. Now, if you mess up a little bit, don't worry, mistakes are meant to happen. That's why concealer was invented. So I'm going in with my Jouer concealer and a little detailing brush. And I'm just gonna stamp out the shapes a little bit more to perfect it. All right, time for some black hole on the waterline plus lower lash line. And blending that in using that chocolate brown from the Juvia's Place palette. And intensifying that using a black shadow by Morphe. All right, I'm quickly gonna pop on some lashes and then I'll be back. And lastly, using a white liquid liner, I'm gonna draw dots because they look flippin' cool. Like that. Okay, time for cheeks and lips, and we are gonna keep the rest of the face very, very glam and simple because this was meant to be more glam and unique as opposed to scary and weird. So I'm just gonna bronze up like crazy using the Jouer light to medium bronzing duo. Okay, time for a nice peachy blush. This one is by Flower Beauty. Just on the apples and pulling up and back. For a highlighter, I'm using a combo of the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie Fuego and my own Glazed Donut. Okay, time for some lip liner. This one is by Pat McGrath, and this is in the Calorie Supernatural. On the outsides of my lip, I'm taking Hey Girl from the Dose of Colors Desi and Kitty collaboration. And then a white lipstick in the center. I know. Bear with me. And then smack. And then my favorite nude gloss, I pretty much wear this every time I wear makeup outside. This is Tease Vivid Hot Lacquer by Maybelline. And there you have it. And that's it, guys. That is a super cool, crazy eye makeup look for Halloween when you want to be a bit more glam, but still have that unique and cool touch. I think BAT eyeliner is the way to go. Believe it or not, I am gonna wear this outside now. I'm gonna get my hair done and my nails did. So, yes, I do wear this outside. I get the question a lot. I do wear my looks outside of the studio. If you enjoyed watching day 2 of Halloweek, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And yeah, I truly, truly appreciate you so much. I love you, and hopefully I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you then.